afternoon. It is Thursday, September 16th, and Ryder and I are headed to
Disney World?
Disney World. We are headed to Disney World. So this was ended up to be originally going to be just a quick day trip to go to Boo Bash. And then I looked at his school calendar, and it was today's a holiday. So it is a Jewish holiday, so there was no school. So we decided to head up a day early, and then also today the All-Star Music Resort is reopening. So we are staying one night at All-Star Music and then one night at the villas at Grand Floridian. So kind of two extremes, but it should be fun. We're going to stay on Points tomorrow night. Never stayed at the Grand Floridian. There's only 4 Walt Disney World DVC resorts that I haven't stayed at. Grand Floridian is one of them, and really looking forward to that. So anyway, now back to after we scheduled that second day, then they added the preview for Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. So we are scheduled for tomorrow morning for the preview for Remy Ratatouille Adventure. So really excited, got a lot to do. It's going to be a quick 2-night trip, but very excited. Ryder, are you excited? Yeah? Okay. Well, let's just hope. This is the first time I'm actually driving to Walt Disney World, because usually my husband drives, but he could not go this trip. So it's just a mommy rider trip. It's going to be a lot of fun, and it's probably going to take us a lot longer than when my husband's driving, but looking forward to it. So we just got into the room at All-Star Music. It is reopened. It is 4:34. We did stop for lunch, took a nice little break. Looks like a storm's about to come through, but here is the room, and Ryder is loving the artwork. Right, Ryder? So
Yes, look at the artwork. Come here. This is super cool.
it is super cool. Who is that?
It's Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, and Donald Duck.
Oh my goodness. Do you like this room?
Yes, because of these pictures.
You know that this room is all redone, right?
Yes, this is redone.
Yes, so let's take a look. Okay, so here's the room. That turns into a bed too.
Yes.
We'll show that in a second. So here's the room. We're right. That turns into a bed. We'll pull that down in a second.
Oh my God, that is a transformer or something?
Yes, it's a transforming bed. And here's our little refrigerator and coffee maker, very important for mama. And coffee makers. There's me, and here is our little closet. We're only staying one night, so probably won't even unpack. The toilet seat, the potty seat did not come with the room. And here is our bathroom. So as you can see, it is just like the renovations at Pop Century. We love it. We think it utilizes the space really nicely. Right, Ryder?
Yes.
Okay, so let's pull it.
Because of this artwork.
Because of this artwork. So let's pull down the bed so you can see what it's like pulled down. Be careful. Get out of the way. Oh, there we go.
Oh my God.
Who is that?
I get to see
Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
Yes, I get to sleep with them.
Yeah, this is your bed.
Oh, and they're also dreaming about stuff.
Yeah, they're dreaming about going to Disney World.
Yes.
Ryder, what are they dreaming? What are they dreaming about?
They're dreaming about being
rock stars.
Yes,
And football players.
and being cool people.
And movie stars. You know why? Because the 3 resorts are called All-Star Sports, All-Star Movies, and All-Star Music. So that represents all 3 All-Star resorts.
Yes.
So we are in room 411. This is in building 10, which is Calypso. This is a preferred. We were standard, but we did get upgraded, which was nice, just to give you a little proximity. And so there's the Calypso pool. But what I wanted to show you is that the playground is right here. So I'm not sure which building that is, but here is, oh, I guess that's Jazz Inn 9. So here is the playground. So if you can see playground, so here it is. So if you are in building 9 or 10, you're very, very close to the playground. So if you have little ones, you know, I would recommend being in room in building 9 or 10, but also beware of sand. Also, our room is on the corner, and we parked over on that side. Didn't realize that this walkway, so when we come back, we'll use this walkway. It's a little bit faster and a more direct route to our room. And I have to say, the cast members that are here are just awesome. They're so happy to be back. I've already counted a couple of them. I said welcome back, and they're just so happy to be reopened and to have guests here, and just so accommodating, like really willing. Not that they always are, cast members are always great, but I mean even more, you can tell how excited they are to be back. So it's 5:15. We got our owner's locker, kind of unpacked a little bit. We're only here for one night. We're gonna run to Hollywood Studios. I did have a park reservation, so we're gonna run to Hollywood Studios. It's about to pour, and it's supposed to pour the rest of the night. So not sure how much we're gonna do, but Ryder loves Tower of Terror, so we're gonna try and do that, and maybe Mickey's Runaway Railway. Slinky Dog is probably gonna be out. So we'll just see what we can do. Hopefully lines won't be too bad because it's about to pour, but we're gonna do what we can. I'm not even changing. I had to change of clothes. I'm not even changing because I'm gonna get soaked. So wish us luck. So we didn't get to miss the rain, but this is the Calypso pool. So we're right outside the main pool, and that's the lobby. And then you got Huey, Dewey, and Louie in the middle.
Yes.
There's the bar. And we need to put our masks on before we go inside. So let's get those out. So here is the food court. As you can see, masks are required inside, except when you're sitting down. But here's the food court. It's pretty empty. And, oh no, he's gonna see the arcade. Crap. So this is Ryder's first time in an All-Star, and this is my first time at the All-Star Music. I've only stayed at All-Star Sports. And oh, look at that, Ryder. Look how cool that is, huh? You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Go take a picture underneath it.
Right. All-Star too?
Ryder, what do you think of this All-Star?
Good.
Yeah? What did you like about the room?
I liked about the room the free pictures.
He loves the artwork. So we just got a picture in front of that. And now we're headed, that's Maestro Mickey's. We'll look at that later. And now we're gonna head to the bus and wait for a bus to Hollywood Studios. And as you can see, masks are required to be worn on all board any transportation. So it's 5:27 and there's gonna be a bus at 5:29, hopefully. So 2 minutes. So we are on the bus to Hollywood Studios, and we're gonna keep it clean of the bus because it is empty. Now, it's probably because it's 5:40 and the bus came right on time. It's 5:40, it's pouring rain. I didn't even change, so we're gonna try and see it. Just wanna do maybe Tower of Terror and Mickey's Runaway Railway. I had a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance, but it expired about an hour ago, so we'll see if we can still ride it, but probably not. But let's see what we can do. So it is 5:43. We literally made it from our room to the bus stop in a half an hour, which is like record time. That like never happens. That only happens when I'm not planning anything and we're just kind of going like for the wind. But it's raining still. We got our I got my raincoat on. He's got his poncho on. We're gonna see what we can do. We only pretty much have 3 hours in the park, but we've done it before, and it looks like there's a lot of people leaving. As you can see, a lot of people leaving. It's raining. It's not pouring, but it's sprinkling. It's Florida weather. So we are here. We're through security, almost through the gate. So even though it's raining, it's not lightning. And it's sprinkling. So Slinky Dog Dash says it's open. So we're gonna head over there. It's only a half an hour wait. So we're gonna head there first, just because I figure it's gonna close at some point. So we're gonna try there first. But as you can see, a lot of people are leaving. So here we are, Toy Story Land, wet and all. Doesn't look like there's many people here. So we're at Slinky Dog Dash. It says a half an hour, but there's no line. Like the line is all inside. It's 6 o'clock, so there's like no line. So it doesn't look like it's gonna be half an hour. I need to pull up my touring plans app. So we are at the front of the line. Let's just hope it doesn't shut down. Do you want me to hold Freddie on the ride? Yes. And we're gonna be in the front row. Are you excited, Ryder? Here we go, we're in the front. Hey, Ryder, you ready?
In case you have to get off in a
Here we go. Oh my goodness. Slinky dog in the rain. Woo! Whoa! Nothing like Slinky dog in the rain. Actually, it's not raining too bad, so it was nice. So not sure where we're gonna go next. We'll see what we're gonna look at the app and see where we go next. So we're gonna head to Galaxy's Edge, see if they will accept our boarding pass, and also check out Smuggler's Run and see what the wait is over there. When I looked a little while ago, it was only like a half an hour, so we'll see. So we're at Rise of the Resistance. We missed our boarding pass about an hour ago. We're gonna see if we can still ride. Not sure if we can. We can, great. If we can't, not a big deal. So we got in, no issue. I didn't even say anything, and we just got in, so it wasn't an issue.
Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bukhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits and transports. No need for safety gear until this is right.
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
You ready, Ryder?
Affirmative. Then all
Attention! This vessel is now under the command of the First Order. You will proceed down the hallway to the right for your interrogation. Now get out!
Okay, walk, Ryder.
That means go.
Uh-oh. So we are on
Right there
silver.
on silver as well.
Go to that lieutenant there.
Mark on the ground where you're standing. Look at your color, memorize it, and don't forget it. All of you will prepare for interrogation shortly.
Ryder, what color are we on?
Gray.
Silver.
First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, we're silver, we're silver. Go silver, silver, silver.
You're right.
Go, 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 go.
The left silver.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Here's a nothing identity. Why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
Ryder, how was it? Good. So that was awesome. We actually went a different route. Like when we went with the AT-AT, we went to a different way. So it was a little different. We'd never gone that way. So it was pretty cool. And now we're gonna head over to Smuggler's Run. So Smuggler's Run is only a 20-minute rate. So we're gonna go on that now.
Y cuidados, niños. Gracias.
Flight engineer, repair desk. Hit your flashing button. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Ah, there it is. After that plane.
So So Ryder wanted to come and see Mickey and Minnie and Vacation Fun. This is a favorite of his. Is this your favorite?
Yes.
How much do you love it?
A lot.
Welcome everybody to
So we saw Vacation Fun, and now we're in line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and they're doing the pre-show, which we've never seen the pre-show. So excited to see that. What did you say?
I finally get to see the pre-show.
Yes, we finally get to see the pre-show.
Yes, you're right. I was also right because I think I was gonna finally watch the pre-show.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how we're gonna make it happen.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That sounds like a lot of paperwork, but sure.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up. Hey, Miss and Bill.
Sure you took good care of our friends.
Works better than me. What could possibly go wrong? Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Right, picnickers, told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
So we're gonna finish the night at Tower of Terror. So it's about a 15-minute wait, and we got in line about 10 minutes ago at 8:20. The line stopped for about 5 minutes. Then it started moving again, and now it stopped again. So hopefully we'll get out not too late. So it's 9:40. We got the bus back. The bus was like right there when we got it. We got to watch the fireworks, and now we did our mobile order on the bus, and now we're waiting to pick it up. So we're finally back in the room. We got our mobile order. I got just a salad with some shrimp. Ryder got a cheeseburger and some French fries, and we're gonna eat a really late dinner. It's 10 o'clock. It's 9:59. 10 o'clock, so I'm going to bed. It's been a long day. But we did a lot. We rode, we got to the park around 5:45, almost 6 o'clock. And in the 3 hours, we did Slinky Dog. We were able to still ride our Rise of the Resistance 40 pass, even though it had expired, which was awesome. And then Smuggler's Run, then Vacation Fun, then Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and Tower of Terror twice, which was awesome. So it was a great night. If you liked that video, click like, click and subscribe. Tomorrow we are going to Remy's Ratatouille Adventure preview for DVC. Ryder, what do you tell everybody?
That little vibe, hope you enjoy.
If you didn't understand, it said click and subscribe. Hoped you enjoyed. Bye.